Happy Thursday, everybody. One more day till the weekend. So, day number 4 of 5 for the layering of the highlights for Fenty Beauty. Alright, so, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Quick intro. Oh, quick recap. So, Monday, Trippin'. Tuesday, Unicorn. Hump Day, Yacht Life. Today, Radiic. Let's get into it. Alright, so today I am doing Radiic with Ginger Bin and Moscow Mule. Without any further ado, let's get into that. About that. I am not too sure how this is going to turn out, to be honest. I did not plan this. This is all on the whim, in the moment. So we are going to see how this turns out. So Radiic is definitely more of, it's definitely more of a bright papaya. Gorgeous, gorgeous on deeper skin tones. Ooh, that'd be gorgeous as a blush if I could blend this out perfectly. All right, there we go. Radiic. Don't mind the bad blending, and let's go in with the layered side. Perfect. Kind of intense. This is a lot more pigmented than I was expecting, to be quite honest. Like I said, I have not done this one yet. Okay. So, blend, 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 layering the foundation of it. We are good and golden. There we go. Oh, yeah. Don't mind that blending job. It's horrible. Oh. So, there we go. We got the foundation down of it. Now, that's really going to annoy me. Whatever. It's just for demo. Let us go in with the Moscow Mule. Let's go straight into the drama. Perfect. Blend it out. Oh, this is so gorgeous on deeper skin tone. Especially, right in my eye when I'm really tan. That actually isn't too bad. There we go. There we got it. Radiic by itself. Radiic with Moscow Mule. Pretty easy peasy for you guys today. Blending it in, whatever. But yeah, there we go. Could definitely use this. I could definitely use this more as a blush, especially for my skin tone. But gives a very good wet look. Something new, guys. Radiic by itself. Radiic with Moscow Mule. It's pretty ridiculous. Friday, we got it.